Evangel takes pride in cultivating a culture of lifelong learning for all students. Let's meet Allison, who recently graduated from EU's Doctor of Education program through EU Online. Evangel's virtual option provides a flexible, affordable path to education, which has allowed Allison to advance her career while directing a high school drama program and raising 2 daughters with her husband. All yours, Allison.
Thank you, Alex. Learning has always been a part of my life. I began my teaching career 16 years ago. Immediately after my undergraduate degree, I pursued my master's degree. And since that time, my husband and I have had 2 beautiful daughters. And then a few years ago, I began to feel stagnant in my educational journey. And that's when I heard about Evangel University's Doctor of Education program. I was drawn to the program because of the accessibility of the online courses, while still fulfilling my role as a full-time teacher, theater director, mother, and wife. The course design, dissertation timeline, and faculty support were also really appealing. I knew I would really have a chance to get to know my professors and my advisor. A major highlight of the program was the networking. I met so many innovative educators in my area. I have a wealth of support and resources at my fingertips from working closely with my cohort. Though the coursework was online, the summer residency on campus provided an opportunity to engage in meaningful conversations of issues facing education with my cohort members. I quickly formed lifelong connections. Even after completing the program, I love supporting this amazing group of educators and asking for their support as we all continue to grow. The knowledge I gained in my dissertation research experience has opened doors for me to speak at conferences, provide professional development for districts in surrounding states, and continue to build an arts integration initiative in my own district. Most importantly, through my time at Evangel, I have been able to grow in my field and provide my students with the very best education possible, and model a living example for my daughters of the importance of lifelong learning. That's my story, Alex. Back to you.
Thank you for sharing, Allison. With numerous graduates receiving District and State Teacher of the Year awards and Distinguished Administrator awards, Evangel's education graduates like Allison excel in the workplace, and that is awesome. Take care.